Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our channel.
Hello.
Most of the pregnant ladies are very much worrying about the what should they eat to boost up the iron levels during pregnancy.
Okay. So for pregnancy and lactation, in both condition, 20 to 30 milligram of iron is very important for the pregnant ladies and for the lactating woman also. But not only iron pills popping will not help at all for the iron absorption. Okay, absorption and assimilation, these are very co-factor for the absorption of iron. Okay, so vitamin C and vitamin B12 is very important for the iron absorption. They play a very important role for the iron absorption. So what can you do? So for vitamin C, you can eat fresh fruits, citrus fruits, for example, guava, amla, and oranges. All are whatever seasonal food is available in your region that will play an important role for the vitamin C absorption. And for the vitamin B12, you can have a curd, buttermilk, or your homemade pickle that will enhance your gut bacteria and that will play very important role for the iron absorption. Another very much thing is that if you take iron tablets lot of times, what will it will give a side effects also. For example, constipation, some have a nausea feeling, some have a vomiting also. And there is one more precaution lot of pregnant ladies do. If they forget iron and calcium and folic acid, what they do, they take folic acid, iron and calcium together, that three pills together. They should not do at all. What they do, that specific time is divided for by your gynecologist itself. You have to take at the same time, because if you take iron and calcium together, there is no absorption at all. One thing you should always be remember, that whatever you grow inside the soil or into the soil, that each and every food have little bit amount of iron. For example, bajra, ariv, that is a garden crease, fenugreek, that is a methi, then beetroot, which is very much favorite of me also. These all things have a little bit of iron also.
Are there any food habits to do change in the for the pregnancy ladies, ma'am?
Yeah, because in first trimester they have a lot of nausea and vomiting, and then in second trimester already gynecologist add iron and calcium. So little bit of food habits definitely change for help for them also to change in during pregnancy. For example, daily you have to take a little bit of vitamin C food supplements also. For example, nimbu pani, or you can have a guava or any citrus fruit you should include in your foods daily routine. One thing is very important, only by taking green vegetables will not improve your iron at all. One thing you always keep in mind, that not only green vegetables if you eat, they will increase your iron levels. Whatever you grow inside the soil and into the soil, then each and every food have little bit of iron is there. For example, bajra, flaxseed, ragi, beetroot, all these have a iron level. Beetroot have a lot of iron and folic acid, and it will not boost your iron, but also it will keep you from the inflammatory disease also. During pregnancy, lot of women have a pedal edema. They, by eating beetroot in a include in your daily food regimen, the edema definitely decrease
Okay.
by taking beetroot and ragi.
Okay. Here is a one more question, ma'am.
Yes.
Pregnant ladies can have some non-veg eggs, etc.
If she is used to eat before pregnancy, then she can eat. But too much of same type of food is definitely not recommended in pregnancy. Because what will happen if you take too much eggs at one day, then next day definitely you have a constipation. So same type of food is not recommended. Daily you have to experiment with your into your kitchen.
Okay.
Ask your mother, mother-in-law,
Okay.
mama, dadi, nani, about the different traditional food
Okay.
habits to boost your iron. Even one thing is very important. If you are cooking in a iron kadhai or tawa, definitely it will also help for your boosting your iron also.
Are there any different food habits between working woman and housewife?
Not at all, not at all. Whatever you are eating, just make sure it should be home cooked, it should be made in a iron kadhai, and it should be in a traditional form itself. Because whatever in our Indian culture and in traditional, they automatically gives you a nutrition whatever body required. Because whatever from childhood to young, whatever we take, that is very helpful for our body, not the new thing which you suddenly you read in some magazine or in a ad. You know that, and you if you include that, will definitely give you your trouble to your body and mind also. And one thing is also important for boosting your iron, that your sleep is also adequate. If you sleep take proper 8 to 7 to 8 hours sleep, definitely you will not get a constipation. Your stress will be not body and mind not get stressed that much, and your digestion is also good, because sleep have a very good impact in your body.
How much effects was there for the uneven timings for taking food during pregnancy?
Uneven timings are very much bad impact in digestion itself. If you take a breakfast at 11 o'clock, not before that 11 o'clock, definitely it will shift your lunch time, because there is always already food in your stomach, and you will not get any hungry feeling in the afternoon. So they will shift the lunch time, and lunch time will be again shift, and then you take a late lunch, definitely your dinner time will be automatically going to shift. So if you take a late dinner, definitely your sleep time will be shift, and what will all this cycle will do repeat itself, and it will hamper your digestion system. And next day what you find, there is acidity, there is a headache, and there is a constipation also. And these whole things will definitely hamper your work life as well, because if you not have a proper motions early morning, then you will not fresh at the whole day at all.
Okay. Which type of treatments are Garbha Samskar training center, especially for the iron deficiency in the during the pregnancy?
We just advise each and every candidate for the good food habits, mindful food habits. For example, if she want in the evening something to eat, so I tell her make laddus of jaggery and peanuts, or coconut jaggery laddus, and keep it at one little tiffin in your purse. So if you are hungry, you can definitely eat that laddus, not outside something aerated drink or coffee. You will not pop something food packet at all. Definitely you will eat at home cooked food. Ask your mother or mother-in-law or your mama for that good laddu recipe. That will definitely increase your irons. Especially I recommend aliv laddu, aliv and dry fruit laddus. That is very much important for the brain development of the child, and for the iron boosting also.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot for giving such a wonderful and valuable tips to boost up the iron during the pregnancy.
Thank you very much.